Hello everyone, this is Kevin from Points Travel Tech, and this is a review of the Hilton Brussels Grand Place. We booked 4 nights in a king guest room. Upon check-in, we were initially upgraded to a king executive room, but mid-stay received an upgrade to a junior suite. Obviously, I'll be showing you both rooms. We paid €498 for the stay, and I'm happy to report that the lounge was operating to pre-COVID standards. The hotel is brilliantly located across the street from Centraal train station, which quickly connects you to the airport. Check-in was a bit weird, and we left the counter without any information about the Wi-Fi, breakfast, or the location of the lounge. Service did improve during our stay. We headed up the 4th floor to room 433. The room boasts a large desk that housed the Nespresso machine, some electrical outlets, and a TV. Across from it was the king-size bed with a bench at the end. One bedside had a power outlet underneath the light switches. The other bedside had 2 USB-A ports. But if you look closely, the switches and outlets were literally over the bed, not next to it. An armchair and coffee table completed the furnishings of the bedroom. The bathroom was quite large, and the single sink offered a lot of counter space. There was a bathtub and a walk-in shower, which housed a rain shower head and a handheld unit. Unfortunately, the doors didn't close properly, which led to puddles in front of the shower. The very large closets doubled as huge, full-length mirrors. The very nice breakfast area offered a good spread and a multitude of seating options. The selection of food and drink offerings was quite extensive, but we found that the cheese selection was very lacking for a country that is quite famous for its cheeses. But nevertheless, this was a great way to start the day. There was a self-serve mini-mart located in the hotel lobby. The prices were higher than at the supermarket right next door, so unless you really don't want to leave the hotel, I wouldn't suggest buying anything here. The hotel restaurant is also located in the lobby. While it looks quite nice from this perspective, I wasn't really surprised to hardly see anyone eating there during our stay, as it's quite exposed and there are so many restaurants close to the hotel. Continuing through the lobby, we reached the lounge. It was in full operation and open from 6 a.m. to 8 p.m., which included happy hour from 6 to 8 p.m. The pretty design language of this hotel continues in the lounge, which had different seating options. Soft drinks, coffee, tea, and salty snacks were available all day. Happy hour included more food options, different liquors, wine, and of course, Belgian beer. Some seats were even equipped with power and USB outlets. After 2 nights, a suite became available, and we decided to take it. Suite 521 was located on the 5th floor. Vis-a-vis from the large closet, we know from the smaller room was a guest toilet, a feature we appreciate a lot. The living room housed a sofa, TV, and the same armchair and desk we had in the other room. Walking towards the sliding doors, we can see the king-size bed in the other room. The bedsides offered the same features as well. The TV on the low table was not placed ideally if you wanted to watch something in bed. The master bathroom was very big and also offered a bathtub and separate shower. The shower controls were really cool and simple to use, and the rain shower head had doubled in size. Through the windows we had quite a nice view of downtown Brussels. Since the view of the TV in the bedroom was obscured by, well, the bed and my feet, consequently, watching TV in the living room seemed like the obvious alternative. Unfortunately, the cushions kept sliding forward once you sat down, which made lounging here annoyingly uncomfortable. Lastly, here is the gym. No reservations were needed to enter. It's quite small and the selection of equipment was limited, but everything seemed very new, clean, and worked well. The big window by the treadmill is nice if you enjoy people watching. All in all, our stay was very pleasant. Status holders are treated well here. We like the design of the hotel very much and almost everything is in very good shape. Breakfast was very good and it was nice to see a completely open lounge without restrictions or cutbacks. The super convenient location is the cherry on top. You won't regret staying here and visiting Brussels is a must in my opinion. I really like this city. Another must visit in Europe is Milan, Italy, which offers a very nice Hilton with superb staff. Click here to watch my review of that hotel. I'm sure you'll enjoy it. Thank you for watching, happy travels, and see you soon.